Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A33, and today I would like to show you how you can change style of your font on this Samsung. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now choose display. Scroll down again and choose font size and style. Finally, go into font style and tap on the best font style for you. I will go with that one in order to apply it. As you can see, style of my text has changed. But you can always just go back into the same settings, but this time select download fonts. Now tap on this little icon next to the best font for you. I will go with that one. Wait a bit and go back. Now when I click on the back button, as you can see, my font style is over here. If you wish to apply it, just tap on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!